heating up. So I'm gonna put some butter and let's see. And then that's how much you need. You don't really need a lot. So let's put it on the pan. Okay. Wait until this is done and we'll do next step. For next step, you need a small bowl. Stopped. We're going to need to get the ingredients, the milk, some stuff to make it, and a small bowl. This patty. Okay, let's get it. You also need some chocolate chips or sprinkles, whatever you want to put in it. You don't have to. It's just a choice. You don't have to have an ingredient, but you can. Like I'm gonna put chocolate chips. So let's get baking. So make sure your parent with you, so you don't burn yourself or anybody. Much as you want. Just don't put as much, like that side or away. Just put it to the side in case you need to put more, like this. But you can put it in if you think it's enough. We're gonna pour in the milk. Don't put a lot, or else it will definitely ruin it. Put like that much. Will be okay. Keep everything to the side in case you need it again. I'm gonna fast forward. Almost fully mixed. It should be like this, something like frosty-ish looking. And then if you want to put sprinkles or you want to put chocolate chips, go ahead and put it now. Let's put that you have done this. We're going to add in as much as you want. It doesn't matter what it looks like. It can be plain pancake if you want. Okay, that's enough for me. Okay, it's ready to pour. Okay, that's good for one. Another one. Yummy. Fast forward. So it'll be done after. It's done.